The ANC Youth League has since turned against former National Assembly Speaker Nosiviwe Mapisa Nqakula. It has demanded that the former defense minister stop using the ANC brand name as she fights allegations of corruption in the courts so as not taint the good ANC brand name through her actions. The ANC Youth League also insists that Mapisa Nqakula should face the full might of the law. What are your thoughts on this? Is the party abandoning its own because of the upcoming elections, or is this the right thing to do? ANC Youth League Secretary General mpofu-walsh says they are still trying to clean up the good name of the ANC after it was dragged in the mud by former President Jacob Zuma before he started pushing his new MK party. Nqakula insists that anyone caught on the wrong side of the law, regardless of political affiliation and position, must face the music. He said, "We respect and love her, and if she has been found in the wrong, she must face the law." Renewal of the ANC is clear. If you are found in the wrong, don't drag the organization into that. The ANC has developed a step-aside rule that requires members charged with corruption or other serious criminal activities to exclude themselves from any events that the party would host. It further states that those charged may not hold positions of responsibility in the legislative sector such as parliamentary speaker, deputy, and chief whip. Allegations are that during her time as defense minister, Mapisa Nqakula took bribes amounting to 2.3 million rand from a supplier in the Department of Defense. She has denied the allegations and claims that the state has no case against her. While she resigned as Speaker of the National Assembly, she claimed that the allegations against her are politically motivated. What do you think?